Okay, this video is for 2004, 2005 F-150 5.4 liter 3 valve. Mine had a pretty good tick on the driver's side. If you're having the same symptoms, of course rule out everything else: spark plugs, exhaust leak, the simple cheap things. Just had my lifters and rocker arms replaced today, and you can see in this one there's no movement. I mean, this thing is completely seized up. There it goes a little bit, but I mean, as far as pushing down, there's no spring to it. And had a pretty loud tick on that side, and you can see on this rocker arm the bearing is completely gone. I mean, there's nothing to it. It'll just move freely all the way around. The rest of the lifters, they have just a little bit of movement to them, but not much, not enough to supply oil that needs to be supplied. And here's the rest of them, as you can see. But just had my cam phasers, timing chains, tensioners, all that replaced also. So if you have the valve covers open, you might as well replace your lifters and rocker arms while you're there. It's going to be about a 4-hour job at a mechanic shop. So if you're going to open up the valve covers, I would definitely do this job if you're over 100,000 miles.